You may or may not know that I love to cook, but I'm fairly lazy, so I need to really work on like meal preps. I have been having a lot of like high protein meals lately. Happy Monday. Today I'm going to be doing ground turkey and zucchini noodles. The purpose of this video mainly is to get rid of all the frozen vegetables that I've accumulated in my freezer, but also hold myself accountable, make some videos. This is not to show you how to eat, tell you what to eat, none of that. I don't care. Don't take advice from me, like ever, about anything. I got my spiral zucchini. I'm trying to get rid of all the shit in my freezer, like I said earlier. Extra lean ground turkey. And like everything I do, I'm gonna add garlic. As you probably saw, there was a lot of ice in that zook. So I'm gonna, when it melts, maybe add a couple of these mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms that I have. Because I opened it and I might as well use it. Pretty watery. I'm just gonna add some soy sauce. Some of this. Whatever I have in here of onion powder. It's all like stuck together though, so it's not much. More garlic powder. It has rosemary in it, so I'm gonna add a bit more rosemary because it said that the turkey had rosemary in it, so might as well. I'm gonna add my shiitake mushrooms. Also, look at my Skims. What the hell, Kim? Tonight's dinner. Happy Wednesday. This is a typical midweek look for me, so keep it to yourself if you have comments, because I don't care. Tonight, I'm going to be making roasted salmon and veggies. So I'm just going to start roasting. And I'm going to do sweet potatoes for sure. Beets, Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes. You're a sweet potato. Drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to do salt, pepper, oil, obviously. All my salt's gonna fall out because this keeps happening. Oof. This is all I have left of smoked paprika. That is so sad. What the fuck happened to all of it? Whatever. I do have some lemon pepper seasoning. I'm gonna do that. Maybe some onion powder. I really wish I had more paprika. That's a lot of onion powder. More pepper. Then I'm gonna roast this for 20 minutes and then slide it over and add my salmon so that these can finish roasting and we'll be good. I forgot to mention, but I'm gonna put this to 400 degrees. Happy Friday. Today I'm gonna make like protein banana bread, but I'm gonna put it in muffin tins because I will eat the whole loaf. So I need to have some sort of way of portioning it. So what I'm going to need is 3 very ripe bananas, a whole egg and 2 egg whites. I'm gonna need Greek yogurt, vanilla almond milk, vanilla extract, flour, obviously need protein powder, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, maple syrup, and some walnuts. Preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mash bananas and eggs, yogurt, almond milk, vanilla, and sweetener. So we need 1 whole egg. Why is it like frozen? I've never done this. Whoa. Whoa. I think I did it. Oh my god. Three of my nanners. I need your flour. Here's a quarter. Another quarter. That's just a splash because. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix this up. And I'll need another bowl for my dry ingredients in a second. Just gotta mash your bananas. I'm gonna let those disintegrate a bit. Okay, so we need 1 1/4 of this. And then, what do we have? 1/2 cup of my protein powder. You can use whatever protein powder you want. I'm using this one from Costco called Lean Fit. It's a plant-based protein powder and it's vanilla flavored. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now I'm gonna mix these together so they're nice and well combined. And then we have to gently fold in the batter whenever I can. Okay, I'm just gonna dump in all my walnuts because I don't want them on top. I want them throughout. Maybe I'll save a bit for on top. I have a lot of walnuts. This would also be good with like chocolate chips if you like. You obviously don't need to put nuts in it if you're allergic. Please don't. Now I'm just gonna put these in for, I'll set it to 20 and I'll check them after 15. Yum, they're looking delicious. Not bad for healthy protein. The last thing that I'm gonna make for this week for dinner, since it's Friday night, is just gonna be really simple chicken and veggies. So I'm gonna preheat my oven to 425, and I always know it's 425 because I put my chicken in 425. What is this? I don't like it. It's disgusting. Salt, pepper, oil, obviously. Lemon pepper seasoning, which I'm so excited for because I love lemon pepper.
Apparently I didn't film an outro. I always forget to film an outro, so peace out. Sorry, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you want to see if you enjoyed this video, if you tried these recipes, if you have any other recipes you want me to try out. We're at 20,000 subscribers now, which is kind of insane. Thank you for all of your support. I truly appreciate it. And hopefully we can just keep growing from here. Okay, thanks. Bye.